Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have everything fall into place while others struggle? What if I told you that the key to manifesting your desires lies in something as simple and yet as powerful as your thoughts? Welcome to Channel Name, where today, we're diving into the basics of the law of attraction. But before we begin, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on spirituality and manifestation. Let me tell you a story. Imagine a young woman named Sarah. Sarah had always dreamed of traveling the world. But no matter how hard she tried, she always seemed to be stuck in the same job, the same routine, and the same small town. But one day she stumbled upon something that would change her life forever, the law of attraction. So, what exactly is the law of attraction? In simple terms, it's the belief that attracts like. The energy you put out into the universe through your thoughts, feelings, and actions will come back to you. Think of it like a magnet. When you focus on positive thoughts, and visualize your dreams as if they've already come true, you attract positive experiences into your life. But if your mind is filled with doubt, fear, or negativity, that's exactly what you'll attract. This isn't just wishful thinking, it's a powerful universal law. Now you might be wondering, is there any science behind this? Absolutely. When you focus on something, your brain begins to recognize opportunities that align with your desires. It's called the Reticular Activating System, and it acts like a filter, helping you notice things that support your goals. And then there's quantum physics. While it's a bit more complex, quantum theory suggests that the universe responds to our energy at a subatomic level. When you emit positive energy, you're literally influencing the fabric of reality. Crazy, right? Back to Sarah. After learning about the law of attraction, she decided to give it a try. Instead of focusing on what she didn't have, she started visualizing herself traveling, feeling the excitement as if it were already happening. She created a vision board filled with images of beautiful destinations, and you know what happened? Slowly, but surely, opportunities began to show up in her life. She found a new job that allowed remote work, started saving money effortlessly, and within a year, she was living her dream of traveling the world. So, how can you start using the law of attraction in your own life? Here are a few simple steps. Set clear intentions. Be specific about what you want to attract. Write it down or create a vision board, just like Sarah did. Visualize daily. Spend a few minutes each day imagining your desires as if they've already come true. Feel the emotions of that moment. Positive affirmations. Repeat positive affirmations that align with your goals. It could be something like, I am worthy of success, or I attract abundance effortlessly. Let go of doubt. Trust that the universe is working in your favor. Don't let fear or doubt creep in. Focus on your belief. The law of attraction is more than just a mindset, it's a lifestyle. By consciously choosing your thoughts and feelings, you have the power to transform your reality, just like Sarah. So why not give it a try? Remember, if you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about manifesting your best life, make sure to like this video and subscribe. We've got so much more to share on this journey of spiritual growth and personal transformation.